Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create the smudged gradient map effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make a copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Image, Adjustments and Desaturate. Go to Filter, Noise and add noise. Here, change the amount to around 9. Distribution to Gaussian, check the monochromatic. Hit OK. Now go to rectangular marquee tool and select half of the image. Press Ctrl or Command J to copy it in the new layer. Right click and convert it into smart object. Now go to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. Change the distance to around 230 and hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy and then again click on the motion blur and this time change the value to around 900. Go to Filter, Gaussian Blur and change the radius to 5. Hit OK. Go to the adjustment layer icon and choose Gradient Map. Click on the gradient and change the colors. When you are satisfied, hit OK and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.